Hi there, Philip Hobby Bike Repair here. I wanted to share with you folks a super easy way to rebuild a bicycle wheel when you have to change all the rusty spokes like on this one. So what you want to do is to cut spokes by pairs that cross on the same side. With a spoke cutter, get rid of a pair of crossing spokes like these. Take a pair of new spokes and install them. That's super easy, as you can see which spoke inserts from which side, checking on the neighbor ones. Check which one goes above the other one, then screw the two nipples. Tight your nipples to center the rim. You can also verify tension at the same time as needed compared to the original spokes tension for that side. Once you are done with one side, truing is done as well. Do the other side and voila! Here you go with an all-new wheel, and it took you maybe 40 minutes. Took me 50 for that result while filming. If you enjoyed it, click the thumb up and share with other passionate folks. Cheers.